Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut, who was arrested on Monday morning by the Enforcement Directorate in an alleged land scam case, has been sent to 4-day judicial custody. The ED had asked for 8 days of custody of the Shiv Sena spokesperson, but a special court did not agree and granted custody for half the duration, that is, for 4 days. Sanjay Raut was produced before the Prevention of Money Laundering Act court judge M.G. Deshpande by the ED, who sought an 8-day remand for the leader. Responding to the demand, the court added, "In view of the investigation so far and the facts found therein, I have come to the conclusion that the custody of the accused is necessary. But I do not agree to give 8 days custody. Hence, the accused is given 4 days of ED custody." The ED, represented by Special Public Prosecutor Hiten Venegaunkar, told the court that Mr. Raut and his family were direct beneficiaries of the proceeds of crime. Sanjay Raut's lawyer contested that Raut is a heart patient and should not be questioned till late at night. He further added that Sanjay Raut's arrest is politically motivated and is a part of the political vendetta. Shiv Sena's lawyer added, "He is a patient with a heart-related ailment. He has also undergone surgery. Papers related to this have been presented before the court." Meanwhile, the agency's lawyer added that Mr. Raut was summoned 4 times, but he appeared before the agency only once. During this, he tried to tamper with the evidence and key witnesses. Following the raids at his house, Raut in a series of tweets claimed that Maharashtra and Shiv Sena will continue to fight. He also tweeted, "False action, false evidence. I will not leave Shiv Sena. Even if I die, I will not surrender. I have nothing to do with any scam." The Shiv Sena spokesperson also sweared upon late Balasaheb Thackeray and denied any wrongdoing and alleged that he was being targeted due to political vendetta.